I am SOS Hassan from class 9B, standing here to tell you a story. The story title is The Book. There is a boy who was whose name is Karan. Karan is a skinny and a shy boy. He usually don't talk to anyone. He barely talk to anyone. And he he just don't want to tell anyone. One day in the class, he was reading his book and the teacher came in. Everybody in the class stood up and said, Good morning. The teacher is came here and stand everyone in front and said, Good morning to all of students. Today I have came here for choosing a student for Republic Day event who gonna be deliver the last speech. So who is gonna be the candidate? And she looked around. She looked at the Karan and said, Karan, I think you are a good choice. You should participate. And the Karan, who was a shy boy, he nodded in yes, because it was his whole habit to can't say no. But in deep in the heart, he is want to say no. The teacher brought his hesitation, but she know the boy is a shy. So he said, you should say tomorrow. You can remove your name, but I think you should go. The boy stood down. After the school, he want to go home, but he remembered a thing that he want to go market for his aunt has told him to get some items for the home. So he directly go to the market. On his way, he was remembering his past when first time he got into the stage and delivered a speech. So when last time he delivered a speech, it was his worst nightmare ever. When he goes to end up in the stage, he said nothing. The all in audience in the class laughed at him and commented bad thing on him. This had led him to depression, a stage fear which became his worst disability. But he wanted to remove his fear. So he thought I should go for it. But his heart was not able to convey his feeling. After in the market, he bought all the items he need to do. Then he was coming home. He looked at the sky. The sky was full of clouds, and he knew it was gonna rain. He ran very fast, but suddenly the rain came. The droplets was heavy. Then the rain become a storm. Then he thought he should take a shelter, and then he looked around. He saw an old building, old mansion, and in the front of it there was an old mango tree, large enough to give him a shelter. But when he take the shelter, the water droplets could hit him. He was still raining in the rain, but suddenly the rain stopped. He looked at the up and feel someone was behind him. There was a shadow. He looked around, and as he turned around, he saw a man with a black coat was has a fierce face. He was just scared, and his heart to stop, but He claimed his heart, and the man said, "Are you afraid?" The boy nodded in no. The storm is getting here. You should go home. And give him his umbrella and said, "You look very skinny." He gave him a book, said, "A little step." He said, "Everyone fears from something. Then you should not look at what you have been to past. Look at the future, which is the front of you." Then he took the book and said, "Thank you." But he wasn't sure about the man. He was a little afraid of him because it was first time seeing him there. After that, he took the umbrella and ran. He was a little bit of scared, but as he got home, he took the book and read it. It was not a story, not a novel. It was a collection of thoughts, which was boring. But something interesting in the book. It was its cover. The cover was very interesting. It only said a little step. He thought back. He just only need a little step to get on the stage. A stage where he can do anything. Because when you come stage, you are the one that control the stage. Then, on the next day, in his classroom, the teacher came in and said to the Karan that, "Should I remove your name?" And then the Karan said that, "I want to do it. I want to give it a try." Then the Karan, who was invisible to all, become the speaker of the class. Everyone can hear his voice, but the, the Karan was still afraid, but he know that he have to do it. And then, on the Republic Day, he gave a beautiful speech, which he didn't even thought that he could give it. But a little step made him this better than he could give a better. Then, when he got back to return his umbrella, which he get from the old man that he met near the mango tree, when he got there and asked around, then said that he heard that no one lived there. It was abandoned. Here I end my story.